welcome back to my channel. So I am doing potato fufu for the first time. I have never done potato fufu. This is the potato. I've been cutting it. I just cut them small so I can blend them in the blender, and that is the one in the blender, and this is the one left. Okay, I just want to show you guys how I cut it. Just cut it in a best small shape you can, so that your blender will not have a headache blending it. I have been seeing a lot of potato fufu on YouTube. I've not really tried potato fufu myself. I like potato, but I wouldn't say I'm a big fan of it. I'd rather do yam than do potato anyway, but I like to eat it as a mashed potato as well. So yeah, we're going to try it out today and see if I like it or not. And this will be cooking and eating with me at the same time. So I'm only going to be making the potato fufu. So that's how I'm cutting it. Okay, just cut it in a small shape possible for your blender. So guys, I am done cutting the potato, right? I am going to add water in my potato, and I am going to start blending it. And yeah, when I'm cooking the potato, I need oat flour to use and thicken the potato. So now we are going to start blending the potato. I'm going to add water, and if I blend this one, when this one gets liquidy, I'm going to be adding a little bit potato in this one, so it will help blend others. Yeah. So guys, I am done blending the potato. This is how it looks. From here onwards is stirring it. So I'm gonna keep stirring it, and when it gets to a point, I'll start adding my oat flour. I actually saw what inspires this my potato fufu today is Sister Flo. Sister Flo did her potato fufu the other day, but in her own recipe she blended everything. She blended the oat with the potato together while she was blending it. But I love the way she blended her stuff. But yeah, I decided to give potato fufu a try. I have never given it a try, like I said before. This is my absolutely first time of trying potato fufu. So now I'm going to keep stirring, and when it gets to a point of adding my oat flour, I'll start adding my oat flour. So guys, from here onwards is put your elbow in the turning because it is super strong to turn. So you have to keep your eyes on it and put your hand in the turning, because at the same time you don't want it to have lumps. So, but the turning is serious. You have to like turn like your life depends on it. So just keep stirring it and keep turning it, and you can see it's coming together. It is coming together. It is coming together. Hey, so guys, it is time to start adding our oat. So I'm going to be adding it gradually by gradually, and I'll try and mix it very well. So I added all the oats there. So I'm going to keep stirring and I'm going to allow it to thicken a bit. So guys, I am done. This is how it looks. I'm going to take it out of the stove now. Now I am going to wrap them up and allow it to cool down for a bit. So guys, it is done and I am going to be eating this fufu with egusi soup. So that is our potato fufu here and we're going to be enjoying it with egusi soup. So guys, we are done making the fufu. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, so it is the moment of truth. It is the moment to try this potato fufu. I have never tried it before and I am going to be eating it with my egusi soup. So I left it for a bit to cool down. I left it for about 15 minutes or so for it to cool down. Yeah, we're going to dive in and start demolishing this food like champions. But first of all, let's pray and summon God to come and join us as well. It is time. Come and join. Come and join. Wash your hand, whatever. Come on and join. Let's eat. Yeah, come over. Don't say I didn't call you. I'm calling you now. So that is how it is. Really good, very good. It is that good. And the egusi soup, yum. Guys, in the egusi soup, the meat I have is shaki and chicken. That is just the meat I have. There's no fish, there's no stock fish. It's just the chicken and shaki. Very good. Guys, this was good. So guys, this was absolutely good. It was tasty. It was delicious. I will consider that every now and then now because it's a very good fufu. If you can't get yam, fresh yam where you are, and you want to try the fresh potato fufu, give it a try. It's really nice. I really enjoyed it. I will definitely add it on in my fufu collection. in my in my fufu collection, if that is the thing, I would definitely add it on in my fufu collection. I really enjoyed it. It went so well with the egusi soup. It was, both of them were so tasty. Anyway guys, this is where this mukbang is going to end. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Give me a thumbs up. It means a lot because then you guys are showing YouTube that I'm doing okay job in what I do, so that they will recommend my videos to some other person that like mukbang, eating video. So give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, like, share my video around, share it around. Sharing it around really helps it to grow and helps it to get more view. Anyway guys, thank you so much. Thank you, and I would see you on my next one. Bye.